So this is how it looks. It actually looks good, but you're not done. So let's move to the next step. Hi love, so today I'm basically showing you how I do my nails from home, and these are the items that you're going to use. So we're going to start with the press-on nails, the double-sided nail glue tape, third is the buffer, the fourth is the nail clipper, and also let's not forget the nail polish. For step 1, I usually buff my nails to make sure that the nail surface is perfect for the glue to stick on. So now I'm done. The nails are perfectly buffed. So on to the next step. So now it's time for the press on nails, and here we are going to pick the right sizes for each finger. Now that you have picked the perfect sizes, we are going to buff each one of them. The main purpose of doing this is to ensure that the nail tape sticks tightly. Time to stick on the double-sided tapes onto our fingers. Make sure you press on hard for like 10 seconds. Step 5 is all about the press-on nails. Important point to remember is every time you put on the nails, make sure that you press so that it sticks well. For this step, I'm going to cut the nail short using the nail clipper. I'm done, and this is the length that I prefer. The last step is applying the nail polish, and I chose red. So this is the end result, and honestly it's giving. I'm totally in love with the look. Below in the comment section, tell me how you find today's video, and would you also try this? Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye!